Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. So today we're going to be unboxing this headband wig that was sent over from Beauty Forever. I'm just going to unbox it with you and then we'll get into my thoughts. So keep watching. So here is the unit. Here it's very pretty, like very pretty. I did not wash it because I did not want to interrupt this pretty wave pattern they have going here. So I just used some dry shampoo on her. I used this Dove shampoo on her, and then I very calmly and gently like brushed it through with my fingers. And I am going to show you how I have my hair underneath of here, because people have asked me how I wear my hair under these headband wigs, and I just do something really simple. This is how I wear my hair underneath my headband wigs. I just have two ponytails kind of going crisscross, and then I bobby pin them. Wig cap. She is big head friendly. She feels very like roomy and comfortable. These waves are gorgeous. Oh yeah, this is really cute. Let me show you how she's looking in the back. This hair is very soft, like so flowy. Really nice texture to it. I'm going to read you the specs for this wig straight off the website. So this is the Beauty Forever Body Wave Headband Wig, 150% density, Brazilian glueless human hair wig in a natural color. I have mine in 20 inches, and the price for this unit, whoo, drum roll please. The price of this unit is $120.22. Grab the card, add to cart. Wow, you really can't beat that price. $120. This is really nice. It has a very nice natural luster to it. Right off the bat, I'm not getting a lot of shedding or a lot of tangling. I will update you towards the end of the video, but right now, like we just feeling good. It's breezy. I'm just nervous about washing her that the wave pattern would not return. This wave pattern that she comes with is everything. It's really pretty. This one is a winner in my book. Like, I'm just still stuck on that price. I think that's that might be one of the most affordable ones I have reviewed, especially for this length. Ma'am. Length, okay? Length. So right now I just have on the black standard headband that comes with the unit. They did send over a few more options for us to try on with this wig, so let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to start with this one. It's kind of like floral, I think. Yeah, it just reminds me of flowers and springtime. Okay, so this is the first one. She's cute. I'm here for it. Let's move on to this one. It's like very neutral. Oh, that's cute too. I love this one. I love this like green color. It's really pretty. those are all the headband looks I have for you today. I do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and to meet me in the comment section and let me know how you are feeling this unit. Once again, I would like to give a special thank you to Beauty Forever for sending me this unit. It is gorgeous. I'm so here for these waves. So thank you so much. If you are interested in purchasing this unit or any of the headbands you saw today, then please read that description box because all of the information is going to be down there. I thank you so much for watching this video in full, rocking with my channel and supporting me. And I will catch you in the next one.